Hi, my name is Dr. Dmitry Loksionov. I'm the CEO of SimCaseAI.
Hi, I'm Fabian, and I am the CTO and lead engineer.
I trained as a doctor over 10 years ago, and I still remember the challenges of preparing for clinical exams. Nowadays, not many things have changed. Universities still spend thousands of dollars on paid actors, physical exam rooms, and faculty members. All these methods were great, but they're not scalable and require a modernization.
We are building a SaaS platform that contains thousands of real-life scenarios, where doctors and nurses can train their clinical skills by using voice. They will receive immediate and personalized feedbacks without leaving their homes.
By simulating the full exam experience, we're able to reduce costs by up to 70% for our users and institutions. We're looking to partner with fast-forward universities and hospitals, especially the hospitals that understand the communication skills are important, like telehealth providers or mental health providers. We're partnering with Tenity to accelerate our growth and find new partners for SimCaseAI.